Hey guys, today I'm going to introduce you with an amazing tool that will give your own website a free chat premium service. Okay, it's not a regular chat with this and that features that you need to pay to get the premium features that you want. Any features, all the features for free, for life. Yes, this is not a joke. Let's start. DoThatTask is our website. This is where we are right now. DoThatTask is a service that allows you to ask any issue, any task to be done by experts. Okay, so you are not alone anymore. Any task, any bug, any consultation, whatever you need, our expert will get it done for you in an amazing prices. So right here at the bottom, we have a tool. This small tool is basically installed by a snippet called Talk2, TAWK.to. Okay, Talk2. This service is a free, premium, free for life chat service. Yep, and we'll see what premium features it have in a second. So, this is their website, Talk2. You can go in, you can see whatever you want about them. They are featured, and I'm not lying. It says here, free forever. Okay. Now you may say, they don't have all the features. Others are much better. Let's see. I'll show you how it works on our end. Okay. Right now I'm in DoThatTask property. You can see it's basically how we manage the DoThatTask tool. So we can decide what the name of the property, where it's installed, and all sorts of stuff. Let's see. We have the chat widget. This is exactly what we are installing in the website. We can decide how much time it's going to be hidden or not, and when it's going to be scheduling, what times are you going to answer your clients and accepting chats, and when you're not. You can turn it off. Knowledge base. You can create a knowledge base. So you can create predefined question on your chat that your clients don't even need you. They just click and they have the answer. Okay? So you can add knowledge base. Let's see how it works. You add title and content, then they can see the knowledge base directly from the chat. Interesting. They have user management, property members. Okay? So we can decide which agents are basically gonna work on this tool and gonna answer your clients. Now you can create unlimited departments and you can create unlimited agents, all for free. Everything for free. Now they have, in order to answer, they have the DoThatTask web application for Android and for iOS. They have application for anything, so they allow you to answer directly as an agent from whichever device you want to your client. So it will ping you just like WhatsApp, just like Messenger, whatever. Okay. Also the agent alert, you can decide what alerts you want to have and when. Let's see what type of an alert we have. Post announcement alert for agent. Yeah, so basically you can post alerts to your agent. Ban list, if you have some naggy clients or spammy clients, you can ban their IP, and this is sometimes very important. You can define the shortcuts that you have there. You can define the triggers, and this is the most interesting part. On trigger, you can actually engage your client, your visitors. You can, on specific pages at a specific time, you can trigger, and this is like most chat services out there charge money for that. You need to pay them in order to get this specific feature. Now you get it for free. Okay, so you can decide. Let's say I want after 20 seconds on a specific page to trigger some message. Or I want to have a chat rescue or advanced. Let's see the advanced. I want to be able to do all or any of the following. If it's all or any of the following condition, that can be, I don't know. Let's say a visitor coming from a specific city, and he is on, let's say, Chrome. Okay, so if someone comes from New York and he's from Chrome, okay, we can add maybe equals or not equals, and if he's not, let's say, and if he is let's say time of visitor, no delay, so he is equal to 30 seconds, less than, greater than. So now let's say we have a visitor from New York, okay, that is on Chrome and is visiting the site for 30 seconds. We want to either wait, send name of visitor, append note, replace note. So we can basically define what messages we want to send through the chat to the client, okay, to the visitor of the site. So let's say let's append a note, and this note will be welcome from New York. Okay, so now when you add the action, or you can have multiple actions, so you can have after a delay, so wait 10 seconds, and you can send another message and so on. You can basically do whatever trigger you want, and after you are done, every customer that is coming, every visitor that is coming from New York at the specific amount of time and the restrictions and rules that you've created here, you're gonna get the message. And by that you can really target your audience to get the specific message that you want. You can have it in different languages. Think about it. You can have it from different locations. Let's say you have a specific issue on the side, known issue on mobile. You can create a specific message. Hey, don't worry, if it's on mobile, you can do this and that differently. Okay? So whenever you know that the client have issues, you can simply address it. Tabs. You can create all sorts of tabs for the knowledge base shortcut. Everything is on your specific tool. Okay, what else? Add-ons. They have some paid add-ons. That's okay. Sometimes they need to earn something. But the most interesting add-on that they have is this one. Hire live agent. So let's say you simply don't have the time, but you want someone to answer your chats, right? Because you have a busy website, but sometimes you're asleep when the visitors are coming, but you want someone to answer them. They offer a service for $1 an hour that real live agents will answer your clients according to the script that you send them 24/7. Think about it. This can be really interesting. Mail notifications. You can get all sorts of notification, and obviously webhooks. You can get all sorts of webhook. We have a webhook here that sends us to our Slack every time something is happening. Someone is chatting with us. Our team get it on Slack. Okay, that's about it, guys. Thank you very much. And don't forget, anything you need, DoThatTask is here for you. Just contact us and we'll get it done for you.